How to heal emotional trauma. We learn at school how to maintain our body and how to maintain our physical health, but unfortunately we don't learn how to maintain our mind, how to maintain our soul, how to maintain our emotions. And that's such a terrible pity, because this is also a process. This is also a process that takes some time to do. And there are a couple of steps you have to keep in mind if you want to heal from emotional trauma. So, step one is reveal. So, find which of the traumatic experiences was the first one and which was the biggest one. And then you need to work with these two. You need to reprogram these two bad experiences so that when you think of what happened to you, you don't have any negative emotions anymore whatsoever. As if it was a movie with someone else and you are just telling someone a movie. When this happens, these negative experiences won't have any impact on your life anymore. So you will have forgiven the person who hurt you, right? And you will not feel like a victim anymore. And you will feel fine with it. It happened in the past. It happened. It's a story. It will stay in the past. It has nothing to do with my present. But unfortunately, these experiences have accumulated in your life, and there was more and more emotional debris stored in your body, and now they're sabotaging. Now it's sabotaging your life in many ways. So, secondly, you need to reveal how your emotional trauma sabotages your life. So it could be in a form of choosing wrong partners for yourself and staying with the partners who are not very nice to you, who are kind of like abusing you, and you are emotionally attached to them, or or you don't appreciate like good and kind partners, and you always run away from a relationship like that, or you are avoiding human relationships whatsoever. So you prefer not to have not even friendships or meeting people, or you are avoiding romantic relationship. So you kind of closed yourself off the community of people or of men or women. And there are many other ways how you can self-sabotage: people pleasing, okay, not being able to say no, not having the healthy boundaries. So you will need to check in your life in which areas and where exactly this is happening. And then once you know this, you can start reprogramming. So the reprogramming happens on two levels. So number one, you have to reprogram your subconscious mind. And then number two, you have to reprogram your conscious mind as well. And to reprogram your subconscious mind, as these emotional traumas are interconnected with lack of self-love, lack of self-worth, the feeling of being not good enough, lack of self-confidence, the feeling of not deserving wonderful things in life. You need to work on these. So there need to be a regular training, a regular practice where you are reprogramming the subconscious mind. Because as long as you only know what it is and you are not healing your subconscious mind, your subconscious mind will override your conscious mind all the time. And once you start working on your subconscious mind, you can also start taking action and changing things in your real life, not avoiding the situations. Okay, so you know, for example, that that you are gonna meet someone you cannot say no to. And you can pre-program your subconscious mind to be able to say no in this particular situation. And you do this by visualization, using all the senses. You get in a deep state of consciousness. And how to get into the deep state of consciousness? There is an amazing technique from a medical qigong, which is like ancient Chinese energy medicine, all scientific and proven, which brings you into deep state of consciousness just like this. Even if you have neurodermatitis like me, who's always nervy and moving and itchy here, itchy there, I can get there easily with this technique myself. Even if you have like a running mind, yes, I used to have, like, my mind was wandering, and with normal like yoga techniques or ordinary meditation, I could almost never get there. Maybe after some yoga, physical body practice, I could sometimes, but just like if I wanted to sit down and wanted to go into a deep state of peace and quiet, no way. That was almost impossible for me. But with this particular technique, you can do it really easily. And if you want to learn this technique, just send me a message, and we can book a session, or I will send you a video. You can join my free challenge or something, or link to join something, and you will learn it. I will send you a link to learn it. And then, so you reprogram your subconscious mind to be successful in real life situation as well. So besides healing your subconscious mind from the emotional trauma, like removing the negative charge from it, you also have to like pre-program or reprogram your subconscious mind for action in practice. And this is going to speed up the whole healing process big time. Maybe something you would be working on for 10 years, 15 years, 5, whatever, right? And you might even never manage, because not everybody heals. Some people never, I see like people who are older and they haven't really healed, right? Like 60 years old, whatever. And yes, other people heal, but it takes a long time. But with these particular techniques, you can take an amazing shortcut, and it will happen really, 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 really fast. And you can start enjoying your life a lot sooner and at a lot younger age, right? And then you recreate. So you have to basically recreate all these situations where this emotional trauma shows up in your life. So like I said, everything regarding boundaries, healthy boundaries, self-love, self-worth, not being good enough, not deserving, okay, self-confidence. And you also need to work on these on the subconscious level. So you work on your subconscious mind to accept, to really make it believe that you love yourself, that you respect yourself, and so on, so on, so on. Okay, and there are practices you have to do on a regular basis as well to do that. And then in your real life, once you are working on yourself, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to think about it. Okay, you don't have to, whenever something happens in your life and you feel you don't feel good about it, or you feel hurt, you will work on it right away. You have the techniques, you know what to do and how to do, so you will work on it then. And you can just let go, leave it up to the universe, because you are taking your action, you are working about it. So you don't have to worry, because worrying is only gonna make it worse, because worrying adds up negative energy and negative charge to the whole situation. So by worrying, you will only extend your healing process, or thinking about it and wondering like what I should have done better and na na na. Don't think about it. It's okay. You are already doing something for it. You are committed. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Leave it up to the universe. Let go. Let go and start enjoying your life from the place of love, integrity, joy, and peace. So everything, any kind of activity you enjoy doing that is not harmful for anyone else is fine to do. It's fine to do, and you should go for it. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to do, always do something useful for someone, or you don't have to work all the time. Okay, there needs to be balance in life. Balance between doing things for yourself, doing things for others. Balance between working and between enjoying your life. And if you come from this kind of place, just enjoy. You will enjoy your life fully, and you will discover like true joy, and your emotional trauma and all the wrong programs which are in your subconscious mind will heal just with a little work on yourself, and just taking action, regular practice, and enjoying your life, leaving it up to the universe. I hope you enjoyed this little training. Have a wonderful day. Bye.